So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So we know that in the past 1 week, it has given some extraordinary returns. So if you see the returns that it has provided in almost 1 week is almost 42% returns. So personally, I have also added this particular stock at 4.95 rupees level. So about Brightcom group, we know that we have been discussing in earlier videos. Also, when it was in the consolidation phase, we have discussed about Brightcom group. So why that sudden increment has come? So we know that dividend declaration. So when it has been providing dividend of almost 0.05 rupees per share, so from that region onwards, it has started showing this up move. So currently, if we see even in this current market situation, so even though on the previous day when market has shown a sudden fall, so that time also it has managed to maintain that 10% movement. So currently we are seeing 5% movement in it. So will it continue that journey? So we'll discuss that, and also we'll see what are the next resistances as well as supports on technical charts. Okay, so further, if you have any doubts, personal doubts, you can ask in comment section, or you can join the Twitter handle as well. So you can ask your personal questions regarding Brightcom group. Okay, so watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel. So okay, you can see, so this is the trade which I have taken almost for investment purpose itself. I have taken at 4.95 rupees level. So you can see almost 42% return was given. So I personally added almost 1 week back. So how to exactly buy at the levels, how to catch the bottom? So clearly I discussed based on volume analysis. So same concept I have applied. So you can also try these strategies on different stocks. So almost every stock we have discussed. So I keep on posting that analysis. So that's why I tell you need to watch the video till the end, and also you need to practice this, so then only you can understand the reason then and invest for long term. Okay, so when we see the volume analysis, so what can you see and what happened on 24th December? So clearly you can see on 24th December, so we have seen little bit of traded quantities present. So it has tried to come down, but again the buying pressure has pushed the stock a little bit upwards. And if you compare it with weekly as well as monthly averages as well, so you can see little bit of traded quantity has been increasing. So what is this traded quantity? So I keep focusing. So understand, traded quantity is nothing but operator activity. So whenever operator activity is more, it implies that stock can either go up or can either go down. Okay, so what happened in the past sessions? It has gone up, and what you can see, so slightly deliverable quantities are reducing. So not we can say drastic decrease is there. So slight decrease has been seen in the deliverable quantities as you compare with the weekly average. So we can say that little bit of that momentum may be halted for a certain period of time. So it may consolidate. So that is what it's telling. It may consolidate or it may go up. So either two cases may happen. Okay, consolidation, or either it may go up or it may take a little break. So that is what this particular data, that is the volume analysis, is telling us. Okay, so people who have added at 5 rupees, 6 rupees, also hold it. So don't do selling. So it may show further movement as well. So because of the dividend declaration, it has shown the movement, although it has been declared. So it's continuing its momentum. Okay. So now we'll go to the technical charts, and then we'll see what the indicators are suggesting as well. Okay, so when we see RSI as well as money flow index, so what can you see? So you can see RSI is near 80 and money flow index is near 71. So generally 70 above is called overbought and 20 to 30 below is called oversold. So you can see when 1 week continuous movement happens, it obviously states that the stock has entered the overbought region. So that is not a big deal, but you need to understand that penny stocks, especially which have high volatility, so when they go to overbought region, okay, they halt for a certain period of time. Okay, so they continue in that region. So whenever operator activity suddenly, when they start booking profits, so then only the stock also come down. Okay, so understand that. Don't think that if it goes to 80 above, it should correct. It's not like that. Especially for penny stocks, it tries to maintain in that region till the operator activity reduces. So clearly we have seen that operator activity has not completely reduced, but but we can see deliverable quantities have slightly reduced. Okay, hope this is clear to everyone. So now we'll see how much returns it has provided, and then we'll go to the technical charts. Okay, so when we see the returns that it has provided, so you can see in 1 week, so that is what I was telling. So approximately even I have received 42% return, so roughly you can take that, and 1 month you can see 36% returns, and you can see completely in 3 months span also you're getting flat returns. So that is what I tell, when consolidation happens you need to understand that the stock can either go up or either can go down. So that is what is called a concept breakout strategy. So that is what I've implemented in my trading setup as well. Okay, so that's why these analysis, when you do this analysis, so then you will have the confidence and you will also invest at the right levels. So rather than investing at 7-8 rupees, you need to catch the bottom. Okay, so if you want separate analysis on that also we will discuss. So please make sure you like and subscribe so that you'll not miss any videos, educational videos, especially on how to catch the bottom of the stock. Okay, similarly in 1 year 5% returns, 2 years also, 3 years also, you can see 25% return. So 1 week return is more as compared to we can say so many years span returns. So that is what is called positional trading also can happen in this, because long term we have not seen any much movement, so it may give or may not. So that is secondary. So primary is how much profit you're making in short term is very important, especially in penny stocks. Okay, so very few penny stocks click and few penny fail, so exiting, taking the profit is also very important. Okay, so now let's go to the technical charts. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So what can you see in 1 day chart? So clearly 1 day chart, okay, of Brightcom group. So you can see the stock has formed a very good support near this particular region. So what is that support? The same level, that is the 4.9 rupees level. So there it has formed a double bottom. Clearly you can see 2 times it has tested that particular level. So whenever it is testing and is showing some reversal, then why should you wait? So definitely you should enter with how much ever amount you are able to enter. So you need to enter with that amount, and you need to take minimum of this much amount of target. This is for normal stocks. So we're telling, if you're doing any swing trading or if you're doing positional trading, so for them I'm telling almost you need to take the topmost, the neckline as your target, and if you are safe you can exit, but if you are risky you can hold it for certain period of time. So this is what is the strategy that I wanted to implement, and same it has followed that. And currently you can see even though little bit of price rejection, that is little bit of selling was seen, but it has maintained that buying pressure and it has closed in that upper circuit. Okay, so what next? So will it continue that journey or not? So clearly we can see a resistance is present here. So you can clearly see what is that 7 rupees level. So closing was very important. So closing we have seen at 6.95. So again tomorrow, that is not tomorrow, Monday, again 7 rupees is a very crucial resistance. So you can see almost it has touched this level almost 2 times. So this will be the 3rd time. So will it give the breakout above that is only the important thing that we need to watch out on Monday. Okay, so market condition also matters. If market condition is positive, so then a clear breakout may be seen. Otherwise it may halt again and come a little bit of down, or it may consolidate. So these are only the 2 major things that may happen. So exactly what is the support? So question also arises 6.50. Okay, so note it down, 6.50 is the support. Resistance 7 above, closing is very important, so that it has not achieved. Hope on Monday it gives a breakout, otherwise it may halt little down or it may consolidate. So these are only the 2 cases that may happen. And rest of all, if you see money flow index also, completely it has not touched the overbought region. So it is implying that little more movement may happen, so that we can't predict. Even it may continue in that overbought region also. So just on our analysis basis, we are seeing that still little bit of momentum is possible. Okay, so this is in 1 day chart. So same in 1 week chart also you can see the same thing. So huge 1 day, you can see 1 week, this is candle of 1 week. So you can see huge candle has been formed. So price rejection was also there, so the buying pressure was present, so that's why it has gone to those levels. So what can be the target? So if it further moves up, so target would be same. Okay, 9.5 to 10 rupees may be the target. Okay, so this is for short term or mid term. So people who do positional or short term gains, they take, for them it is beneficial. For long term you need to forget, even if you're invested 1000 2000, it's not a matter, just forget about it and leave it. So whatever happens will happen. So here also you can see money flow index. So now it has started showing the momentum, and it is showing still momentum is possible. So way far 80 is overbought, so it's not even gone to 80. So you can understand still momentum is possible. So stay positive, and if you want to invest, have discussed the support 6.50. If it retraces or halts, enter at that particular level. So further, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also Telegram group is present, and also Twitter, you can message me if you have any personal doubts. Okay, so this is all about Brightcom group. So if you like the video, definitely like it and subscribe. So until then, take care, bye bye.